Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is collection of data. Question number 1. Data originally collected in the process of investigation are known as Option A. Secondary data. Option B. Third data. Option C. Primary data. Option D. Foreign data. The correct answer is Option C. Primary data. It is primary data because the information or data collected through investigation is directly from the field. It is not from any other recorded sources. Question number 2. What is secondary data? Option A. Data collected from some other agency. Option B. Data collected in the process of investigation. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is Option A. Data collected from some other agency. It is secondary data because the information or data collected is from some other recorded sources or other agencies who have already collected the information through investigation or survey. Question number 3. Which of the following is not the published source? Option A. Government publications. Option B. Semi-government publications. Option C. Website. Option D. International publications. The correct answer is Option C. Website. Website is not the published source because it is not published with the consent of respective authority. Question number 4. Following are the method of collecting primary data except underscore. Option A. Mail questionnaire method. Option B. Direct personal interviews. Option C. Information through correspondence. Option D. Stratified sampling. The correct answer is Option D. Stratified sampling. It is a type of restricted random sampling. Question number 5. The method of generalizing data collected from a few units out of the entire population is called underscore. Option A. Probability. Option B. Median. Option C. Census method. Option D. Sample method. The correct answer is Option D. Sample method. The data is collected from a handful of population and the conclusion is generalized to the whole population. Concluding the quality of rice by checking only few grains of it is a daily life example of sampling method. Question number 6. Census is Option A. The method in which no data is collected. Option B. The method in which few units out of the entire population are chosen. Option C. The method in which data is collected from each and every unit. Option D. The method of planning, organizing and publishing data. The correct answer is Option C. The method in which data is collected from each and every unit. The census method is also called a complete enumeration method wherein each and every item in the universe is selected for the data collection. The universe might constitute a particular place, a group of people or any specific locality which is the complete set of items and which are of interest in any particular situation. Question number 7. Data collected by research institutions, scholars, trade associations but not published is Option A. Published data. Option B. Unpublished data. Option C. Personal data. Option D. Collective data. The correct answer is Option B. Unpublished data. Because the data has not been published, it is known as unpublished data. Still, the data from these sources may be used when needed. Question number 8. The problem of doubtful conclusion arises mainly in Option A. Direct personal interviews. Option B. Information through mailed questionnaire. Option C. Information through correspondence. Option D. Indirect oral investigation. The correct answer is Option D. Indirect oral investigation. In this method, because the data is collected through indirect sources, it may lead us to doubtful conclusion due to ignorance and carelessness of the witness. Question number 9. A person who actually collects the desired information is called _. Option A. Investigator. Option B. Respondents. Option C. Enumerator. Option D. Population. The correct answer is Option C. Enumerator. An enumerator is the person who collects data on the behalf of an investigator, an individual, or an organization. Question number 10. Sample method, compared to census method, is much better because Option A. Carried out by large no of investigator. Option B. More expensive. Option C. It is less time consuming. Option D. More reliable. The correct answer is Option C. It is less time consuming, because a part of the population is surveyed, it takes less time. Question number 11. Statistical inquiry means Option A. Collection of anything. Option B. It is science for knowledge. Option C. Search for knowledge. Option D. Search for knowledge with the help of statistical methods. The correct answer is Option D. Search for knowledge with the help of statistical methods. Statistical methods of collecting, organizing and analyzing data are used to conclude or solve a problem for present or future use. Question number 12. One of the drawbacks of the direct personal investigation method is _. Option A. Questions might be misinterpreted. Option B. Lacks reliability. Option C. It is very costly and time-taking process. Option D. Difficult to get original data. The correct answer is Option C. It is very costly and time-taking process. Here, the investigator himself visits the persons those are source of the data and collects necessary information either through interview with the persons concerned or through observation of the data on the spot, due to which this method is costly as well as time-taking. Question number 13. Under which method investigator prepare a questionnaire keeping in view the objective of inquiry? Option A. Indirect oral investigation. Option B. Direct personal interviews. Option C. Information through correspondence. Option D. Mailed questionnaire method. The correct answer is Option D. Mailed questionnaire method. It is done to make the questions easy, simple, and understandable so that the informant can answer without any help. Question number 14. Collection of data includes _. Option A. Regeneration of data from the actual one. Option B. Method of collecting data. Option C. Only collecting of information. Option D. Collecting valuable data from a variety of sources, using suitable method of collection. The correct answer is Option D. Collecting valuable data from a variety of sources, using suitable method of collection. In statistics, collection of data have two dimensions. A. Collection of data from informants and the method of collecting it. Here source means the population or the informants, and methods are questionnaire, telephonic interview, information through correspondence, etc. Question number 15. Which of the following is true regarding secondary source of data? Option A. Can rely on this data as compared to primary data. Option B. Collection of data from sources who already have collected the data. Option C. It provides first-hand information. Option D. It implies collection of data from its original source. The correct answer is Option B. Collection of data from sources who already have collected the data. When the data is collected by an individual or an organization and another individual or organization use that data, this data will be termed as secondary data. The objective of collection may vary amongst the investigating and using organization. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.